I'm going to show you the different semantic tags that are used. The word semantic means something like a rule or a way of doing something. So semantic tags in HTML are those tags that help you to organize the web page in different sections based on when you divide a page into certain sections. You have, for example, a header, you have a footer, and you have different sections, so you can divide in HTML in the same way. It's just good practice. You don't have to really use it, but it's really good practice to do it, because it helps with search engine optimization, and of course it also helps with navigation. Now the first tag, let's just have a look at the first tag. It's the header tag. Okay, so in the header you would have your headings. Okay, so learn about semantic HTML tags. So that's over here. That's the header. Okay, that's always on the top of the page. So we use the header tag to contain our headings. Then we have the navigation section. This is the nav tag, which is also a semantic tag which contains the links. So you have your links inside of this section. So you can see we're grouping different sections of the page by using these tags. They don't really have much functionality except grouping. So I mean, you can also use a div instead of these tags, but we prefer to use these type of tags. Then you have the main section. The main section is any section that is not a footer and not a header and not navigation. That falls under the main section. Then you have the section tag. This is just the different sections that you'd have on your web page. So like in the main you will have a couple of subheadings, okay, and then the sections would be each of those subheadings that you group together. Or like you have this why semantic HTML matters. Okay, that's one section. Okay, and then you have another section, advantages of using these tags, etc. So these are just different sections we divide our web page into. Then you have the article tag. Now this is for the article itself, and you know what article is. It's something that has a couple of paragraphs and a heading, so you can just put the article tag around it and it looks good. So then we have the header tag used once again, but this time it's used for a sub header, or like a header that is like inside of the main function, or not the function, main tag. So you can use the header inside of the main tag as well, just to create headings for the text that follows. So this paragraph's heading is this why semantic HTML matters, which you would be able to see here, and then that's grouped inside of the header. Then we keep going, and you can see we have another section, and then finally we have the footer. Now the footer contains the text which is right over here. This is the footer of the article, and then we have another footer. Now this is the footer of our entire web page, which is right over there. Okay, so this is just some divisions that you can divide your web page into using these type of tags.